Today topic is Prim's algorithm. Say Prim's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree. We already know what is minimum spanning tree. Already this minimum spanning tree calculation we did it by using Kruskal algorithm in the last class. See, today we are using different method. Prim's algorithm. This is also one of the most important. Okay, every time in the question paper this problem will be there. Prim's algorithm application. The given problem is graph. See, this is the graph. Nodes A, B, C, D, E, F. They will given a question. Graph they given with the weight of that edges. The weight of this edge is 3, 1, 4. Like that they given that. Question will be there. Find MST. MST means minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree. How to solve this problem? How to find minimum spanning tree? See, minimum spanning tree means tree having connected all the edges with no cyclic, with having minimum weight, and number of edges in the graph will be number of what is this if n, that is n minus 1 edges will be there. See, when solving this problem, Prim's algorithm, how many steps will comes? That depend upon number of nodes. Number of nodes. Here, number of nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is number of nodes are 6. Number of steps and number of edge you have to select. Number of edge you are going to select is 6 minus 1. Then it is 5 steps will come up. That's why you written is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. 5 steps will come up. See, first how to solve this problem. First how to make a table. Okay, in the first column you have to make 3 vertices. Second column you have to write remaining vertices. Then you have to write here spanning tree. Spanning tree. Okay, initially you have to start. Where to start? That's important. So you start from alphabetical order. Anyway, A is first comes. You start visiting from city A. Okay, you can say city A or node A. You can call. Okay, the node A is first visited. Make it A, right edge A. Till now I not selected any edge beginning. A comma dash. Just what is this A dash you have to write. Beginning step. Later you have to make. See here you have to first you have to write out only nodes. Don't connect edges. Only nodes. Only nodes. Only nodes in all 5 steps. In this spanning tree. Later you have to connect it. Just write with only nodes without edges. Here A connected to what are the edges? A to B. A to B. What's the value? A to B is 3. Yeah. Then you have to start with the source A. A to C. A to C. Any straight edge is there? There is no straight edge. There is indirect edge is there, but there is no straight edge from A to C. On that moment, you have to write infinity. Listen here. There is no edge. There is no straight edge. On that moment, you have to write infinity. Next, A to C, A to D. A to D. A to D, any straight edge? No. There is no A is not connected directly to D. Then make this one also infinity. Then A to E. A to E. Okay, there is a edge. Yes, there is a edge. Then write a 6. Then A to F. A to F. Any direct edge is there? Yes, there is a direct edge. A to F. A to F, there is a direct edge. Then what's the value? It is 5. That is the initial steps. Okay, that's the initial step. Then in this initial steps, see there are 5 edges in this. In this among the 5 edges, which is the least edge, which are less. 3 is there, infinity, 6 and 5. Among this, which is the least edge. Least edge is 3. 3 is the least edge. The value 3 is the least among the given these edges. Then A to B have to be connect. A to B connect. What's the value? You have to write that value also. The edge value is 3. Now it indicates that now A is visited and B also visited. B also visited. Okay. Now we selected A to B. You write it down here. A to B. It is we selected is 3. This is the edge we selected. You have to write down here. Next, okay, this reject this one. You have to see there B to C. Now you have to make a combination like this: edge B to C. See, B to C. What's the value? B to C is there is a 1. B to C is a 1. Then make it B to C is a 1. That is must be lesser than above column value. Here it is A to C is infinity. Here 1, which is less. The 1 is less. Then consider this one. Next one. B to D. You have to see B to D. B to D. Any straight edge B to D. There is no straight edge B to D. That is also infinity. Then A to D also infinity. Both will same value. When same value comes, you write above only. When same value, there also infinity, here also above column value also infinity. Then no need to change. You write above value only. Next you see B to E. B to E. B to E. There is no straight edge. Infinity. Here it is 6, which is less. 6 is less, or B to E infinity is less. Yes, that is a okay. A to E is less. A to E is less. That is 6. Next you see here. Okay. Next one is B to F. B to F. B to F. B to F. B to F is 4. 4 is less, or A to F is 5 is less. Then you compare that one, the edge B to F, it is 4 is less than A to F edge. What are the least one? It is written here. Okay, when we comparing these 4 edges, which is the less one? The less one is B to C. When compared to 4, 6, infinity and 1, then B to C is a lesser edge. Then you have to connect. Anyway, earlier connected value you have to write it 3. Earlier already connected is 3. We know the same thing you have to write down again here. Then newly connected is B to C. B to C is what's the weight? 1 have to write. 1 have to write like this. Next one. You are now connected is B to C equal to 1. Okay. Now C also visited. Now no need to consider this. C to D, C to E, C to F. That is only 3 possible combination. C to D. C to D is what? C to D. What's the value? 6. Okay. What is earlier? A to D? Infinity. When compare infinity and 6, which is the less? 6 is less. Then you can go C to D is 6 is a better one. Next C to E. C to E is infinity. There is no straight edge from C to E. Then A to E is 6. Then A to E is lesser compared to infinity. If you are connecting C to E, that is A to E is better. Next one is C to F. C to F. What is C to F? 4. C to F is here. C to F is 4. Earlier value B to F is also 4. Then when comes to same, you consider previous value B to F only. Both when come same value, no need to change. Then in the 3 edges, which is the least edge here? Least edge among this B to F, because 6, 6, 4. In this B to F is 4 is lesser. The previous thing you write it. Previous thing is 3. Earlier already 1. What is there in step 2? Rewrite connection. In the step 3, there is new connection come B to F. B to F, it is 4. B to F is 4. Okay. Next thing is, okay, you write this is B to F 4. Then F also visited as per that. Now we have to make a combination with F to D, F to E. That's a simple. F to D. See here? F to D. F to D. F to D is 5. F to D is 5. C to D is 6. Which is less? F to D is less. That is 5. Compared to this, F to D is 5 is lesser than C to D. Then update, change the table. F to D. Next, F to E. F to E is 2. A to E is 6. Earlier value. Then F to E is lesser. Then you write F to E is 2 is lesser than 6. Update it. Then within these two edges, which is lesser? This is lesser. Then write all edges. What are there earlier? This the 3. This is connected here. 1. Then this is 4. It is connected. Okay. Now newly you are going to connect. F to E is the least one. You connect it here. It is 2. That is 2. And connect. The value is 2. Connect it. That the value is 2. Okay. Then next remaining is say F to E. It is selected edge is 2. You have to make combination with the E to D. E to D. F to D and E to D. E to D. E to D is what? E to D is what? 8. E to D is 8. Previous value is 5, which is lesser. F to D is 5. E to D is 8. Comparing this edge with this edge, the least edge is 5. Then I don't want to change. You have to take it same value, same edge here. The only one edge is left out now. Then the only option is you have to select this edge. Then connect all the edges here. Connect this edge. Then this edge is in previous table. This is also there. Now newly edges F to D. The value is 5. Then this value is anyway 1 is there. It is 3. Then this is 4. This is 2. Okay. See, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 is completed. Here, how many nodes are there? 6 nodes are there. The number of steps is 5. No more edges left out. All see in this tree, all nodes are connected. All nodes are connected with the edges. Then stop. Because the spanning tree, there is no cyclic. Here, this considering graph, there is no cyclic. All nodes are connected. Then you can count the value. Then later in the result in the main exam, you have to write solution. In the solution here, the minimum spanning tree is A, B, C, D. You write it again. What are the edges you connected is 3 you connected. 1 is connected by seeing that one. 4 connected. This is F to E is connected and this is connected. That is 5. this minimum spanning tree, then the cost of minimum spanning tree, that means MST is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. Total, if you count it, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. Solution is 15. Okay, thank you.